Okay, did you learn anything in the lab today? So if we were going to write a lab report, remember you only have to do one of the two of these. So if you choose experiment 1-1, you're going to write experiment 1-1. Air has mass. Make sure you have your name and your date on there. A description might be we tied some balloons to a string, and then we balanced it, and then we untied one of the balloons, we blew it up, and we tried to balance it again. And maybe your result looks something like this. Probably if my marker works. A little string, we had okay, so this is where we balanced it, and this is the balloon that we blew up. So this one has air, this one does not have air, and you're going to maybe show me that this side went down, right? Maybe it looks like that. All right, so see, I'm an amazing artist. So that would be a result. But then the important part is the conclusion. Why? Well, you might say that this side was heavier than the other because air has mass. Oh, almost like it's in the title. So you're basically going to restate the title, but you're going to tell me why. So one side is heavier than the other because air has mass. Or maybe, let's use a different color. Maybe you're going to decide to do the other lab. Remember, you only have to do one. And you will say experiment 1.2. The title is air takes up space, so probably your conclusion better tell me that air takes up space. Maybe this drawing is something really amazing, like you have a sink full of water, you put your cup down in the water, you have your paper towel here, and here's the bottom of your cup, here's my sink, and then you're going to say, this is some air. And your conclusion is going to be that air takes up space because so my paper towel could stay dry. So even when I put it under the water, okay, so here, maybe your drawing is going to, again, be so much better than mine. When we push the cup under the water, the paper towel stayed dry. Why? Because the air here takes up space and doesn't let the water get to our paper towel. So your description, again, is just basically if you were going to be talking to your little sister or a neighbor or a little kid and tell them what you did. So we took a cup, we stuck a paper towel in there, you tipped it up underneath a sink full of water and pressed it down. My paper towel stayed dry. Okay, so this is going to be your result. Here's my paper towel that's dry. Maybe you label it dry paper towel. And here's my water. Okay, very highly technical. Very amazing drawing ability of Mrs. Pollock. Okay, so again, pick your favorite one. This is a really highly technical lab. Hopefully you can handle it. But again, the main conclusion should kind of be a restatement of either that air has mass or that air takes up space. It's kind of seems common sense, but we need to know that so that we can build on that.